The next important concept in the periodic classification of element is that modern periodic table. Now we discuss on modern periodic table. This modern periodic table put forth by English scientist Henry Moseley in 1913. According to Henry Moseley, atomic number is the most fundamental property of an element, and atomic mass number was not the most fundamental property of an element. Therefore, he arranged the elements in the modern periodic table in an increasing order of their atomic numbers. He organized his periodic table on the basis of physical and chemical properties of an element, and on that basis he formulated modern periodic law, and he stated modern periodic law as the properties of an element are the periodic function of their atomic numbers. The properties of an element are the periodic function of their atomic numbers. This is the modern periodic law. Now we discuss on long form of periodic table. This modern periodic table is also called as long form of periodic table. The properties of elements can be predicted accurately due to modern periodic table, because in modern periodic table elements are arranged in an increasing order of their atomic numbers. Means modern periodic table is based on the atomic numbers. One more benefit of modern periodic table is that the demerits found in the Mendeleev's periodic table that can be disappeared, that can be removed due to modern periodic table. However, but the ambiguity regarding the position of hydrogen is not disappeared even in the modern periodic table. Friends, now discuss about the structure of the modern periodic table. In modern periodic table, there are 7 rows, and these horizontal rows are called as periods, and these periods are numbered from 1 to 7. There are 18 vertical columns, and these columns are called as groups, and these groups are numbered from 1 to 18. In modern periodic table, each box is for one element. In modern periodic table, there are 118 boxes are present. The atomic numbers are indicated in the upper portion of the box. Besides these 7 rows, 2 series are also present at the bottom of modern periodic table. One is the lanthanide series and another is actinide series, respectively. Friends, this modern periodic table is divided into 4 blocks: S block, P block, D block and F block. S block is present at the left side of modern periodic table. P block is present at the right side of the modern periodic table. D block is present at the middle position of the modern periodic table, and F block is present at the bottom of the modern periodic table. S and P block elements are called as normal elements because one cell is incomplete in S block and P block elements. The S block constitutes